हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज सत्या। आप देख रहे हैं एसआर मोहंती चैनल। अभी हम लोग डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं मास्टर कैम के ऊपर। मास्टर कैम होता क्या है, मास्टर कैम सॉफ्टवेयर किस लिए यूज़ होता है, अभी डिस्कशन करेंगे। व्हाट इज मास्टर कैम? मास्टर कैम इज ए विंडोज बेस्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग CAD and CAM solution for to through 5 axis milling, routing, turning, milling, Milton, 2 and 4 axis, Viridium, 2D and 3D designs, and software and solid modeling. It serves aerospace, automotive, energy, medicals, die and molds, composites, and consumer products industries. Is functionality focus on generating G codes, which is a standardized programming language used to control CNC machines. These machines are used to various manufacturing processes, including milling, turning, and viridium. Mastercam is widely used across different industries, including aerospace, automotive, and education, for creating a wide range of manufacturing parts. You can see in this interface. This is the Mastercam interface, and now we can see this model. This is one milling parts model. We'll discuss in next video how Mastercam is working.